Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm going to try bleach tie-dyeing today. I feel like with this stay at home, all I do is wear t-shirts and leggings and joggers and comfy stuff. So I've been wanting to do like a tie-dye set. So I got, just from Amazon, I got a Hanes light pink sweatshirt and sweatpants, same color, so that when I bleach dye them, they'll turn out the same. Hopefully. I've never done this before, so we'll see what happens. So I also got a bunch of other t-shirts that I'm going to be printing on for my line. So I'm gonna tie-dye those as well, and then do a little bit of distressing like how I have here. My boyfriend's sister Bailey taught me how to do that, so I'll show you guys how to do it too. I think a bunch of people have done it before. I just really like the look, and it's super easy just to add a little detail to a basic t-shirt. So yeah, stay tuned and follow along. Okay, so the first thing is that you want to remove anything that could get messed up with using harsh chemicals like bleach, or if you're doing regular tie-dye, you just don't want anything to be damaged from the chemicals. So I took off all my rings, I took off my necklace that I wear every day, and then you want to wear clothes that you don't really care if it gets messed up. So I'm wearing this t-shirt that I actually bought for Zach, but it kept shrinking in the wash. So I ended up just wearing it myself, and then I made it like an official crop just by cutting it here and then doing the distress detail, which I'll show you guys in the video. So yeah, if it gets bleach on it, it's kind of whatever. And then I'm also wearing just like Forever 21 leggings. So if it gets messed up, it's totally fine. And then just some older flip-flops. So yeah. These are the products that I got to bleach tie-dye today. So again, this is just like a regular Hanes crew neck pullover. I'll link these down in the description box below. I would highly recommend sizing down a size or two. I'm normally a medium, and I guess this is, maybe I didn't realize these were men's, so I got a men's medium. So I'll double check on that, but they're definitely really big on me. I just tried them on, but I'm still gonna do the set, and then I'll just like roll them, and it'll just be extra comfy. You need rubber bands, got these at the dollar store. So a lot of people that I've seen do this use toilet bowl cleaner with a clean bleach gel. You can have more control over it, but I'm also gonna try to do regular bleach with this. This is empty, so I'm gonna like make a mixture and do like a spray bleach situation. So it's kind of like that splattered look. And then these are the t-shirts that I got that I'm gonna be doing for my line, bleaching. Not sure what this will turn out to be, but I know when you bleach dye black, it's like kind of that cool orange look. So these two will be interesting, and I'm hoping that this turns into like a creamsicle look with like some white on here. So yeah, this is what you need. Okay guys, I am outside. Do not do this inside. You want to make sure that you have like something you can do it in. I borrowed my mom's baby pool that she uses for the dogs in the summer for them to play in, so that way it doesn't mess up the concrete. I also forgot that you might want to use a pair of gloves just to protect your skin from the bleach. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start with, because clearly I have a lot going on here, feeling pretty ambitious, but what else am I gonna do on this quarantine day? So I'm gonna start with the pants and the sweatshirt. So laying out the sweatshirt first and just start squishing it in. Okay, so I ended up adding 2 rubber bands right here on the ends just so it helps stay put as it is all squished together. Then I'm gonna pick it up and place it in the pool. Okay, so I did the same thing with the pants here. So now I am going to take this mixture that I made of bleach and water just to dilute it because it was extremely concentrated bleach. I'm going to put on my gloves, which these are reusable, so I'll probably wash them after and then use them for other kits or cleaning, anything like that. Kits, I guess DIY kits. I don't know where I was going with that. So let's spray and see what happens. Okay, so I sprayed the bleach on this front side. Now I'm gonna carefully flip them over and do it on the other side, but while maintaining its shape. Okay, so as I wait for those to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and bunch up all the other t-shirts that I have. Have officially scrunched up all of these t-shirts. These are so pale pink that the sun is so bright and I kind of can't see what's happening. So I might have to pull them into the shade just to see kind of what's going on with the color and to see if they're ready to be rinsed out. So hang tight. Checked them in the shade and they're looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbandage them, unrubber band them, so we can kind of see what we're working with and if we want to add more bleach. It's so hard to tell in the sun, but it definitely worked. It's so cool. I'm excited. So I might add some bleach kind of like in these little spots here. So I might like re-scrunch them and add more. Okay, so I took the pink sweatsuit out and put all of these guys in. So I'm about to spray them and then flip them and spray the other side. And while that's drying, I will go take the pink sweatsuit and rinse it out. Okay, here we go. I am going to rinse out the sweatsuit. I'm so excited. I think it came out really, really good. So you want to rinse out with cold water all the bleach. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So the next thing you want to do is put them in the washer, wash them on cold and delicate. Just a little bit of detergent, just to really get that bleach out. And then make sure it's set on delicates. And then I'm going to make sure the water is set to cold. Cold, delicates, ready to go. Don't wash it with anything else. It needs to be washed by itself. Okay, as you can see, the black has lifted so well. Not sure about these guys though. They just look like a darker orange, so they just seem wet. So I think I'm gonna go in and add a lot more bleach to these other ones and see what happens. Okay, so the black ones look really, really good. Again, not sure what's happening with these. Maybe they just like don't want to bleach, or I have no idea. So again, I've never done this before. This is just a test, so we will see what happens. I'm gonna unfurl these guys and then take them to rinse them in the shower and then follow the process of washing them with cold water by themselves on delicate. I'll probably wash all the orange ones together because they're the same, and then do maybe those two together and then do the black ones together. So let's see what these guys look like. Black shirts are drying in the dryer. So excited about those. Those came out really good, and so did the pink sweatsuit. These, on the other hand, like, I just don't even know. They look like nothing happened to them. Like, no bleach marks on them whatsoever. And I thought maybe it was because, like, the orange and the navy are comfort colors, the brand comfort colors, but that's a Gildan, which is the same as the black. So not really sure about that. So what I'm gonna do is add bleach to the wash and see if that affects it at all. And if not, oh well, at least I have cool black ones and the pink sweatsuit. Okay guys, I am in love with the way this came out. After trying them on, I did realize that I did get a medium in these, but they are men's, especially with the seam down here. So I think I'm gonna do this again with a different color sweatsuit, but it's so perfect for working from homes, being quarantined, staying at home, and then when we are finally free and it's springtime outside, you can throw on some like distressed denim or some like little cutoff shorts and wear the top. It's so cute. It's so comfortable. I just love the way the tie-dye came out. I'm really happy with it. Yes, my bed is not made. There is a little baby dog in there. He's all curled up. God, he's so cute. Anyways, so love it. I'm glad I did this. The other ones are still bleach washing in the washer right now, and the black ones are drying. So whenever those come out, I'll show you guys those. See, I keep pulling these up, but super comfy. I can't decide if I'm gonna distress the top of this or just leave it as is. So we'll see, but the tie-dye came out really well, and I think it's important to be put together when you're staying at home. Just even though you're comfy, you can feel good about yourself just by having like a little matching set on or something. So yeah, look your best so you can feel your best. Hey guys, okay, so I'm in my office right now and I'm wearing the tie-dyed sweatsuit that I just made, and I love it. It is so comfortable. As soon as it came out of the dryer, I put it on. This is the final of the black tee. I love the way these came out. So I think I'm gonna do the little distressing on here. So what you wanna do is kind of line it up and like see where you would want it to be. I'm gonna do it like on this side, I think, because I like that better. So you're just gonna wanna take, please be careful doing this. Children, do not try this. But yeah, so you just take the point of the scissors and you're gonna wanna start it kind of like right where you want it to be, like where you want it to stop, and then go out with it. So I usually do mine kind of in the center. So I'm just gonna take this and poke a hole. So just take the scissors really close to the seam and just poke the scissors through like that. Then you're gonna just use them like regular scissors and cut up along the hem. Like so. And then you can kind of like open it up a little bit more like this. And it adds that distressed look. So I'll show you guys what it looks like on. Okay, so yeah, it just looks like that. It's just slit right here, and you can like bring it more over or to the side if you want it like that, but I just like where it's positioned here. It adds really good detail to the shirt, and I might do some more distressing and just play around with it, but this is like the only distressing that I've learned how to do so far. So I'm just gonna probably stick with that, but I do really love the way the black shirts came out as well as the pink sweatsuit. Shockingly, the orange ones didn't lift at all. So the orange, the blue, and the gray, after I washed them in bleach, like straight up bleach, it didn't lift at all. So really weird, but overall had a really good tie-dye experience with bleach, and I posted it on my Instagram and everyone was like, where did you get that? And I was like, thanks, I made it. So it's really fun to do something yourself and make it yourself, and yeah, so I'm glad that it turned out really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.